Most people staying at Club Med Miches Playa Esmeralda have no idea this even exists. Hidden near the main restaurant is a secret chocolate room, complete with a chocolate fountain, desserts everywhere, and a surprise entrance that feels straight out of Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory. And yes, adults are allowed too. If you're planning a stay at Club Med Miches Playa Esmeralda or just love discovering unique resort experiences, this might be one of the coolest hidden features I've ever seen at any all inclusive resort. Today, I'm showing you the secret chocolate room, how to find it, what's inside, and whether it's actually worth visiting. Where to find it? To find the secret chocolate room, you'll want to head towards the main dining room. Near the dessert section in the main dining room, there are doors that lead outside to a seating area where families can eat at outdoor tables. At first, it just looks like a normal exit, but this is actually where the secret begins. The secret entrance. You'll notice a red carpet leading toward a door, and here's the fun part, the door doesn't even have a knob. That's your clue you've found the secret chocolate room, keeping the surprise for kids. There are a couple themed surprises here that are clearly inspired by Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory, made especially for kids. I'm not going to reveal those details because honestly, it's part of the magic for families and little ones discovering it for the first time. Inside the secret chocolate room. Once inside, the space completely transforms into a candy land. Here you'll find tables loaded with desserts, donuts, cupcakes, colorful sugary treats, and plenty of chocolate creations. And the quality honestly surprised me. Chocolate fountain highlight. The highlight and my personal favorite was definitely the chocolate fountain. There are both white and dark chocolate options, and you could take fruit or marshmallows and put them on a stick and run them right under the flowing chocolate. I didn't try the fruit, but I did try the marshmallows, both with the chocolate and the white chocolate, and that was easily the best thing I had there. It was honestly amazing. Second best dessert. The second best dessert for me was this pinwheel style pastry that I'll show here. Really flavorful and definitely above what you'd normally expect. Food quality review. What impressed me most was the overall food quality. It wasn't like a typical grocery store bakery dessert you might find in the United States. Everything tasted a level higher, fresher, more refined, and clearly made to fit the resort experience. Ratings. If I had to rate it, dessert quality, I'd give it a 9 out of 10. But the experience itself, a full 10 out of 10. I've never seen anything like this at another resort. Schedule info. When I visited, the Secret Chocolate Room was open twice a week, Tuesdays and Fridays from 7:30 to 9:30 p.m. I actually went back a second time to just have the chocolate-covered marshmallow again. It was that good. I'm really curious, if you've stayed at other Club Med resorts or anywhere else in the world, have you ever seen a secret chocolate room like this? Let me know in the comments because I'd love to know if this is unique to Miches or not. If you're planning a trip here, I also have a full resort tour, part one and part two, where I cover the pools, beach, restaurants, and activities. Subscribe for more resort tours, travel tips, and hidden experiences like this, and I'll see you in the next video.